Sandrina Mikhalkova from Ali Art Design from Sofia, Bulgaria, a graduated textile and graphic designer who paints and loves to do accessories from especially wool, felting, accessories like scarves with mixed media silk or only wool, handmade bags like this, jewelry like this red flower or red flower for the hair, brooches, and more stuffed jewelries, handmade needle felting Easter eggs, bows, and a lot of other accessories and art with felt and love, a lot of love. So my way of felting is Nuno, needle, or I mix them together, or wet felting. And you can find more about my techniques here on my Etsy shop, where I show more videos the way I make my art and design and accessories. I hope you enjoy and like my Etsy shop, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you, contacting me, writing me, asking me questions if you have any, or just like and favorite my shop here, Etsy, Ali Art Design. Thank you very much.